course, bago itong dumating yung produkto, bago pa naging endorser, syempre marami kang ibang produkto or brand na ginagamit before. Parang anong sinakripisyo mo in exchange of these products?
Ang sinakripisyo ko ay yung hindi na gumamit ng sobrang mamahalin na bagay na kaya naman pala ng SCD. You know, that's the beauty of it there, right? Once you discover something that won't hurt your wallet, tapos is so good for you ba, hindi ka napapakawalan yun. Because there are certain things that it does the exact same thing, or even better pa nga eh. Diba? So parang it's all about how you take care of yourself and how you consistently use the products then. Of course, it takes time for your skin to like get used to it and then eventually it comes out. Diba? So parang I got really lucky. Diba? Kasi nga, sometimes there are certain things that's like too much to use on a daily basis. And then here I am. I've discovered something that's so good for me. That doesn't hurt my wallet. And our wallet as well.
Yan, ang bongga ng dialogue na yun. Doesn't hurt my wallet. Paano ako? Wala akong wallet. Pero eto mga magtatanong pa. Oo, mga vloggers naman. Si Leia, huwag ka naman tanong Leia, okay na. Okay. Ikaw naman nanalo ng early bird. Yan. Oo. Ito, susunod-sunod rin natin ang mga vloggers. Para makapagsimay ako. Tatanong sila. Yan. Siyempre, uunahin natin si Mr. Johnny Panaligan, tapos si Jonel, tapos si Lionheart TV, si Richard. Yan. So, tatlo sila. Tapos si James Miguel. Yan. Huwag na natin ibalik yung mga dati. Mga shows, mga ano. So, look forward tayo dahil pwede po tayo mag-member ng SCD later. Baka magkikasingaman kayo ng dalawang yun. Umalis na. Hindi magdodonate. Nandun na kumukuha ng kape. Okay. So, Jojo Panaligan.
Yo, kay Lovely, nagkaroon ka na ba ng time na gumamit ka ng product that did not work for you and what happened? And usually ba, pag gumagamit ka ng product, first, do you consult a dermatologist? At saka second, do you give it time? Kasi meron ba gano'n na you give a product time kasi baka naman sa unang gamit hindi effective or may adverse effect as eventually.
Yeah, actually it's very confusing. May ganun eh. Once especially you go to like, alam mo, makeup stores where there's a lot of products and they give you testers, diba? And then, may times talaga na may mga bagay talaga na hindi hiyang para sa'yo. Although, meron din silang sinasabi na purging ba yun? Yung purging, suddenly it comes out. But sometimes it's scary, diba? Kasi nga, I'm always on screen, I'm always nasa television. Lagi akong nasa harap ng camera. Wala akong time mag-purge. Talagang ganun. So, sometimes you don't know kung nag-react lang siya badly. So, of course, it's happened.
So you stop immediately pag meron?
Yeah, sometimes I stop immediately kasi nga, I can't keep it that long eh. Na parang, oh my God, nag-break out ako. Parang may ginamit ako na bagay, nag-break out ako. Or may ginamit akong shampoo. Minsan nga ganun eh. It's, ang daming mga factors na, or sometimes you eat something na hindi pala hiyang sa'yo. So, kailangan mo siya minsan i-test kung ano yung nag-work at hindi. Or minsan may pagkain ka na kinain ng buong week na yun pala has so much iodine na hindi pala pwedeng masyadong madami. So, there's so many aspects na it's not sometimes the product din na pala. So, may mga ganun bagay. But then, yun, I got lucky din talaga na hindi ako